Thank you for checking out Agralawn. We wanted to do another video to help clarify what is crabgrass. Out of the thousands of product sales that we have, every now and then we get a request. Someone will send us pictures and say, hey, the product didn't work, or the response will be, your product didn't work. What we found based on the pictures is that typically a lot of lawn companies call everything crabgrass. It works every time on crabgrass. You will not have a problem with it on that weed. But what we found based on the pictures is that Torpedoweed, Quackgrass, and Johnson Grass are typically the three that people are not getting the kill that they want from our product. It's not labeled for those weeds. And so we want to do this video, and next we'll identify by pictures what's the difference, so that will help you identify what is a crabgrass and what are these ones that it's not effective on.